Ever wanted to make your text pop off the screen like it's carved in stone? Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and learn how to create a deep, engraved text effect, giving your typography serious dimension. First, let's grab the Type tool from the toolbar, usually represented by a large T. Click anywhere on the artboard to create a text box, and type in your desired text. Now, select your text using the Character panel, or the Properties panel. Choose any font you like and adjust the size to something easily visible. Feel free to experiment with different fonts for the best effect if you have a specific font or effect in mind. Try searching and downloading fonts until you find something that suits you. Next, with your text still selected, open the Appearance panel. If you can't find it, go to Window and click Appearance. This is where the magic happens. In the Appearance panel, there should be your text listed as type. Selected and click on Add New Fill. At the bottom of the panel, a new fill layer will appear directly under your text. Click on the color swatch for the new fill. Choosing a slightly darker color than your desired text color will help to emphasize the engraving, which will be applied in the next step. Let's make this color the base and depth of our effect. Click and save it. With the dark fill selected, add a new effect. Go to Effect, Stylize Greater Than, and then click on Inner Glow. In the Inner Glow menu, change your blend mode to multiply. For instance, adjust the opacity to a value you feel right for your own work. It could be around 70%, 80%. Change source to edge, and most importantly, adjust your blur. Adjust the blur to your preference. This creates the engraved look. With our inner glow added, let's finalize our text. The effect is applied. You can now adjust the overall design further by adding a drop shadow or other effects. Experiment with colors, fonts, and effects to achieve the perfect engraved look for your project. You can also adjust the original text color.